Hello, and welcome to packing my pre-cruise hotel stay bag. That is this bag by Lavender. It matches my suitcase. It actually came with my suitcase. Oh, if you missed my last TikTok, I was packing my backpack for embarkation day. I forgot to add my magnetic hooks to it, so I'm just going to throw them right in there. And now you know, bring them with you. So today's Wednesday. We are driving down Friday, and we will be staying at the Disney Springs Drury Plaza Inn, I think, like the Drury Plaza Inn at Disney Springs, whatever their phrasing is. So we're going to be staying there and then driving to the cruise port because it just makes more sense for us to drive to Port Canaveral than fly. Whereas last year, we sailed out of Port Everglades, and that was going to be like a 14-hour drive before stops and before traffic. So we were like, nope, I'm flying. Not risking that with a toddler. So let's go ahead and start packing for that stay. I work for Cupcake Castle's travel company. Well, I'm an independent contractor with Cupcake Castle's travel company. So I have this little CCTC hoodie. Not hoodie, crew neck. It's a crew neck that I'm going to bring with us because it's so cozy and I want to get some pictures in it. I made these little embarkation day shirts, which this one's mine. I showed them in my 7 days till Disney countdown video on my YouTube channel. And I'm wearing it with this cute little TikTok shop skirt. It'll be linked. I love it. It's so comfortable. So I figured it would be perfect for embarkation day. And it has the little built-in shorts and everything, so comfortable. So that is my embarkation day outfit. And then we have Elias's embarkation day outfit, which is just these cutie little navy shorts and his same shirt that matches mine. Well, it matches all of ours, actually. So I'm just folding them all together so that the outfits stay together. And then Sage has a coordinating outfit as well. Same shirt, navy shorts. I'm keeping these in this bag together just so we have them. So these will go in there. I have Elias's pajamas. And I will grab him an overnight diaper from his room in a little bit, and that'll go in here as well. Oh, and I forgot to add with mine, I think I'm going to wear these cutie little ears, at least for a picture. So then I have my pajamas. Sage packed his own. I have my pajamas, and then I have my mother-in-law and sister-in-law's embarkation day shirts. They requested that I bring them down just so they're not forgotten. So we'll give those to them when they get to the hotel because we're all staying in the same hotel together. Then I have my jewelry bag that needs to be untangled a smidgen, but I'll do that on the cruise. This is coming with us because I'll want to wear jewelry on embarkation day. Don't feel like digging through the big suitcase for that. I also have my toiletry bag. Are you sensing a color theme here? I love purple. It's my favorite. This obviously will be packed tomorrow after I shower. And then I have our meds bag, which I'll probably do a separate video on. So then it's all just going to go right in here. Super easy peasy. I'm going to start with our outfits for embarkation day. Then pajamas, then Diane and Holly's shirts. And my ears. Oh, and I have socks for embarkation day as well. And Elias is just going to wear whatever sneakers we bring him down in. And then slide this on in. Then this and my meds bag will go in here once they're ready. So I am almost all set for our cruise. Please stay tuned, tag along. I'm so excited to take you on this journey. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you next time.